boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. As you can see, my friends, I'm in front of the one and only Planet 13. Now, Planet 13 is a well-oiled machine, my friends. Planet 13 has it going on here. They've got the system set up. They've got lines of cars, people coming. Planet 13, when we're all on lockdown here in America, Planet 13 has more people working now than they had before we left, filling orders. So, as you guys know, you've looked at other videos before, you know there was a company that was competing with Planet 13. Go look at that video. My friends, they're out. There's no one there. There's nothing happening. They tried to get what Planet 13 has going on right now. They could not do it, my friends. They could not do it. So Planet 13 has it going on right now. My friends, if you're not a subscriber, if this is your first time listening to us, hit that red button, my friends, right there. Let us know you're out there. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know. We're boots on the ground. We go out and we find out exactly what's going on with some of these companies, my friends. Even during COVID-19, in this coronavirus era, my friends, we're out there for you, my friends. As you know, The Scoop is for your education and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I write books. My books, Marijuana Day, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow. Companies that get in early, hold, and grow rich. Make money online with cannabis stocks is another one out there, my friends. Investing at any age. Start early or catch a mega trend. We're going to talk about here in a minute. I'm going to give you 2 baby knockouts, my friends, and how to start Marijuana Investment Club. Everything you need to know, my friends, is out there right now. You can go to Amazon.com. You can go to, you can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook, my friends, at Amazon.com. Now, state requires a mask when you're on any of the essential locations, and they require gloves. So I'm doing that right now, doing my Nevada thing, doing what I have to do. Not only am I looking out for myself, but I'm looking out for other people. And I appreciate that. There's security all around us. They're doing a fantastic job, my friends. My friends, I want to tell you about 2 baby knockouts today. I want you to listen to this and listen to this closely. Listen to the end, my friends, because I've got some great information for you, my friends. I have an infrastructure play for you on cannabis. You've heard of this company, but I don't think you know the extent of this baby knockout and what they're up to right now, because I think they're going to go past baby knockout status. But first, I want to give you a uranium baby knockout, my friends, that I probably should have given you a few days ago or so. But I've had a lot of, let's say, a lot of tussle and tug when it comes to the baby knockouts. I've been getting kind of offers, shall you say, of writing for different people and bringing out baby knockouts, and they want that to be part of their platform and all. But I told them I have a YouTube channel, and that's what I do. These are for my YouTube subscribers. And yeah, maybe one day there'll be a membership or something where they'll have to pay for these baby knockouts, because we're getting to the meat and potatoes of this stuff, my friends. And it is a warm day out here, so I can't do this twice. I'm going to go ahead and go through it right now. My friends, this first baby knockout I want to give you is a baby knockout in the uranium area. This baby knockout is a developer. It's an explorer, my friends. It's in the Athabasca Basin there in Saskatchewan, in northern Canada. You know, the very good area, great high-grade area for uranium and other minerals, my friends. My friends, it's less, you know, our baby knockouts are generally a quarter or below. So some of our baby knockouts, if I get to you a little 8 and they're 26 cents USD or 27 cents, please forgive me. I do that from time to time, my friends. But this particular one, I'm talking about fission uranium. Fission uranium has a property. They got a great high-grade part. Dev, outstanding CEO, doing his thing right now. I said they're about 25 cents. They bounced off their 200-day moving average. They've got a big backer, Sprott. You know, Rick Rule and all those guys over there, they have their back. So anytime Rick Rule has your back, you know you're going to be taken care of. And they're doing a fantastic job over there. But Fission with their management and their leadership, I believe fission is going to be a killer in the uranium industry, my friends. The ticker symbol FCUUF, FCUUF on the over-the-counter, 2F3A.F on the over in Europe, and it's going to be in Canada. It is, what is fission in Canada? fcu.to. How can I forget that? fcu.to. That's fission in Canada, my friends. That's the first baby knockout I want to give to you. That's a well-run company, and that company is going to go. We've put a dollar price target on that stock already, my friends. We put a dollar price target on that stock already. You know, that's not something we do. We don't give price targets, but that's going to be for the subscribers when we get our newsletter and we get things together. I'm just giving some stuff early, my friends. The next baby knockout, my friends, is in the marijuana sector right now. This is a company you've heard of, but I want to tell you, my friends, during the .com era in the early 90s, I've told you guys before, you guys know James Dines is a guy I used to listen to a lot. James Dines, legendary investor. James Dines used to send me stuff. He used to say, get this stock, get that stock. One of the stocks that he introduced me to was a stock called Cisco Systems. Now, Cisco Systems, he said that this would be it's the infrastructure, it's the guts of the operation. And you know, in the 90s, you know, I did. Whoops, sorry. We're live, my friends. So things are blowing, and it's a hefty day here. Can you guys hear me if I talk like that? Can you hear me? You know, I don't do these things. I do it one time, and that's it, my friends. But the company I want to tell you about has potential to be the guts of the cannabis industry. Now, when he told me about Cisco Systems and it'll be the guts and it'll be around, and he told me that Cisco Systems was basically they were doing this networking stuff. They were the technology behind the internet, data storage, the routing, and all that kind of stuff I really wasn't interested in at that particular time. But I see the closest company now to that Cisco Systems. You know, Cisco Systems is a $40 stock. It's gone up. It's a great dividend payer now. It's been doing its thing, my friends. But the closest thing in the marijuana industry right now, I'm talking about software services, I'm talking about consumer devices, stuff like that, that technology aspect, my friend, that's a baby knockout, is Tilt Holdings, my friends. Now, you're familiar with Tilt Holdings. TILT over in Canada, TLTTF, small cap, 24 cents USD, my friends. It seems to have gotten its losses under control. Now, you know it was losing a lot of money there. It seems to have gotten that under control. My friends, last quarter, what did it make? Over $40 million last quarter, like $46 million last quarter. It's making a lot of money. Now, that doesn't mean it's going to do well just because it makes a lot of money, my friends. But they are the guts, and they have potential to be that Cisco, the guts of this industry with their technology. Now, they're not out doing what traditional companies do. And mind you, my friends, there are only 4 companies in America that have revenue sources greater than theirs. We're talking about GW Pharma, we're talking about TrueLeaf, we're talking about Green Thumb Industries, Curaleaf, and then we're talking about Tilt Holdings as number 5. So, and you only have the 3 amigos in Canada. I'm talking about Canopy, Aurora, and Afria. Those are the only companies in the world that make more revenue than this 25-cent Tilt Holdings. And what do they do? What do they do? Think about it. GW Pharma, they've got, you know, they're on the medical side. TrueLeaf, a growth side, you know, CBDs and Green Thumb, they're also the Curaleaf, they're also, you know, and you think of Canopy, you think of worldwide growth of marijuana, you think of Aurora, you think of marijuana. You don't think of any of these companies as a technology company like you do Tilt Holdings. And at the time, in the 90s, I thought of the internet as mainly email and stuff. That's why I jumped on AOL and made a whole lot of money with AOL, trading it up as it went up to 50 and split and split and split and did its thing for years and years. That's what Cisco Systems. You look at Cisco Systems now, and you look at 8 cents. James Dines introduced me to Cisco's. It was under 10 cents USD. He introduced me to that company. Now, if I'd have put a couple $1,000s in there then, I'd be sitting pretty. So there are infrastructure plays in these areas, my friends. There are infrastructure plays also in uranium. They're in gold. Also, as we look at that, there's also going to be infrastructure plays in the crypto area. As we look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, my friends, those 3 plays, need I remind you, since it is kind of windy out here, I'm going to remind you, Hut, Hive, we like those 2, right? Hut, Hive, throw a little riot in there, and you got our 3 amigos that we're going to run with after the halving of Bitcoin, after the ceremony and the pomps and everything goes. Then we're going to celebrate and we're going to do our thing, my friends. But hey, that's what I wanted to get to you today. Tilt, we're talking a top 5 generator in America. It would be number 4 if it were a Canadian company. So it has it going on, my friends. And at under 25 cents USD, to me, an infrastructure play that's not like the other plays is a steal. And James Dines, right now, the great James Dines, he's on top of this. He's on top of these, marijuana stocks. He's on top of these uranium stocks. He's on top of these gold stocks right now. So look no further than some of the great ones, my friends. But Tilt Holdings has an opportunity to be that infrastructure play for us, that big time infrastructure play. It may come or it may not, my friends. As you can see, you can see the cars. I'm gonna take you guys on a little walk here. At Planet 13, you can see the cars coming in and cars turning around everywhere, and they're doing their thing. But let me put my mask on here. Do the state mandated thing. As things open up, my friends, be very, very careful out there. As things open up, look out for especially those seniors out there. They're kind of in danger a little bit right now. As they say, this is what the media is putting out there. So, be very, very careful. Yes, I missed some birthdays. My sister, Babido, San Diego, missed you. Lato, missed you. Your birthday, Los Angeles. Who else? Renee coming up. George, your birthday. Happy birthday. I missed some birthdays, my friends. And I don't have my honor roll for you right now. But I want to show you guys what's going on here a little bit at Planet 13 here a little bit here. You can see how they have that set up right there where you pull through. You got a couple different areas you got to stop at. You got to show ID at like 3 different areas. So once you show your ID and you pull on through after you've already made your order, then you got a little bit of love. They'll give you whatever it is you're looking for. So that's a good thing, my friends. But they do have a plan, and they are working their plan right now. That's Planet 13 doing it, my friends. Like I said, sorry about the wind and everything out here. It's been a real windy day. It's nice and warm, nice and hot. I'd like to stay out here and talk to you a little longer, but I can't because it's too hot, my friends. But like I said, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. Tilt infrastructure play, baby knockout in cannabis, my friends. In cannabis. Like I said, I can relate it to Cisco Systems. When I was being told, take a look at this infrastructure play. This infrastructure. So take a look at it. That one. And I was, as we look at that one, and that one's going to be, it's going to be a big one. Fission, they have a project, they have it going on, they have a good CEO, and they're going to be there. Like I said, they've got Sprout, they've got the great Rick Rule behind them, and they're going to do well. With that said, my friends, love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. The next video is coming up right now.